Hi guys, the Reximex Mito barrel installation. There's a bit of controversy about the seal size. The Reximex list it as 10x1. We're finding that a lot of the seal sizes are actually 8x1. Internal ID, of course. So, these are 8x1s. Installing them, well, that's a different matter altogether. You get bits of the seal get chopped off and all the rest of it. So I've came up with a solution for that, so I'm going to share it with you all. We'll include the installer seal with the pack now. So let's get started. You fit the seals onto the barrel. That's fairly straightforward. Then a nice lubrication of grease all round the seal, nice and lovely, so that the whole seal's covered. We'll do both of them. So once you've done that, we've given you this little seal in the pack now. This is the installer. So you put that on the barrel, and it's a wee bit tricky because it's very tight, but it's the purpose of that is to compress the underlying seal, so you'll have to play about a bit with that to get it on, like me. Did me, especially with the grease, doesn't help. Bear with me a second. Very, very tricky to do this actually, because it's the grease that actually causes a problem. Oh goodness. There we go. So make sure it's in front. So I'll let you see. Bring it to the front of the seal so that when it's installed it will compress the seal. And you see, so it's brought to the front. And at that point you can offer, it's just not perfect, it has to be perfectly aligned up. This is very important. It'll chop a big section off the seal. It's really bad. There's no flange on the Mito, which is, there's no insertion flange. It's very poor that actually, but anyway. So at that point you can offer that up to the block. There we go. Nice gentle push, slight rotation on it. And wow, no problem. No loss of your seal. So move on to the next one. Again, rotate, and there you are. And that's the seals in, and you'll find you can remove the installation seal. You'll find there's no damage to the seal when it was installed. So I hope that helps, guys. It's all in our pack now. So there you go.